What's up, guys?
Welcome back to the channel.
Part 4 of the Integra refreshening / rebuild, and we have quite a few things to do today.
Yeah.
Behind me, we have the carpet for the interior. Let me go to my truck real quick.
Yeah, so basically while he goes through that, today we're gonna try to do as much as we can and either try to start the car today or next video. But at the end of the day, we're trying to get a lot done today. We have to, so he got a new radiator.
Got a new K-tuned radiator with the hoses. I believe we have everything we need to be able to do everything without excuses this time around.
Yeah, so guess what he didn't forget this time? Where is it?
Truck.
Oh, we got the AN fitting, so
the AN wrench.
AN wrench. So we got finalized the fuel setup today.
We didn't bring a pipe though. We'll have to find a way around that.
We could just go pick one up real quickly. Yeah. So basically, we're not gonna run this radiator anymore.
No. So I just thought about it long and hard, and so there was no problem running this radiator until there was a problem running this radiator. Basically, it sits too high, it's too wide, it hits the headlights, and you can modify as long as you'd like. For me, it's better to just get a whole new radiator set up. They came with new hoses. We're just gonna slap that on. It was on the same motor setup.
Okay, so what's first?
First, we're gonna work on the interior, because that's gonna be the most time-consuming process.
What are we doing in the interior?
We're gonna swap out the carpet, clean up some wiring in the corner, and swap in the AC delete box. That way we can put the plug in and be done with the interior.
Where is that?
It's in the back of your truck.
Okay.
No,
just checking. I just realized it was there yesterday. So, all right, it'll be a long one, guys.
The whole interior in, for you guys, 2 minutes, for us probably half an hour or so, and it is now time to move. We're making great progress today, I'll say that.
Yeah.
It's now time to move forward. What we're gonna do right now is rip out the carpet. We're gonna sort out any electrical gremlins that we have, which are quite a few right now, which includes actually that side harness, at least running it through, so that way we can plug it in and we don't have to worry about under the dash. We're gonna switch the
Evaporator
box.
Thank you to our subscriber who commented and let us know. I know we were sounding like idiots, but thank you for looking us out.
We really appreciate it. We're gonna switch this for the AC delete box, and then we could plug up the front the firewall as well. So first things first, we're gonna remove this. Then we're gonna sort out the wiring, and then we'll as we work our way out, we'll make sure that everything is nice and organized under here, so we can move forward.
Okay. So what's first?
We're gonna yank out the carpet. Then we'll start working on this. While we're doing this, we'll sort out the harness. Sort out the harnesses, because that's still all B series. And then we'll go from there. information. That carpet actually made a big difference.
Yeah, it's a lot darker.
Yeah.
It's just like, you know, it's just simple things make such a big difference. It just gives it a darker feel.
Yeah.
Everything goes well now.
It brings it all together. Everything's buttoned up properly. We took the details. We did the detail behind the dashboard for the wiring. Cleaned everything up. We even, while we were in there, we even installed the new headlight harness. Remember, I had ripped it out from the first video. All we have to do is extend the wiper plugs. That was already cut, and we'll be pretty much done with anything electrical wise. Plugging up the connectors on that end for the ECU.
Yeah, so right now what we're gonna do is he's gonna plug inside. He's gonna go inside and plug in the engine harness, and he said he had a sinker with a few wires there. So he's gonna do that while I'm in the engine bay. I'm gonna do remove the radiator, put the new one on, tighten the fuel line, right, and then we'll just give it a check. We'll try to start it. If it starts, then we're not gonna mess too much with the starting issue or starting aspect of it. We're just gonna get right to the brakes and paint the rotors. Not the rotors, don't do that. The calipers, and then you know, hopefully by the end of the day we should wrap this up. All right, guys. So we're gonna get right to work. See you guys on the next one. See you next clip. Yeah. She starts.
It's rattling on the exhaust, but
it's on.
It's on, yeah.
You know, we've been promising to start this car for like 6 videos now. No, just kidding.
It's like one of those, like
yeah, for the interior, besides the carpet, the door panels also changed.
The door cards, the carpet.
That's pretty much it. But
no, but we buttoned up. We had a couple little issues that really made the car unpleasant to drive.
Yeah, something you guys wouldn't see or know of. You know, it's like the way that the cables were ran before. You know, they were just like cables just kind of like hanging because he even said it earlier as we were working. He just put the car together. He just kind of like wanted to drive the car. So he's like, you know, had I done it like properly the first time, I wouldn't be doing this. But then again, as you drive the car more things come up. So you see more things that you have to fix. Yeah. So I mean, I think right now we fixed just about everything that you had with the car.
To be honest, it's like, I can't ruin it for the next video, but it's like, wow. Had I done it like this, wow. It's one of those things that all I can say is wow. Like, he knows me, he could probably tell you guys, but I'm just like in disbelief.
Yeah, I think we might just leave the video here.
Yeah.
I think there's a great point in the video where like we're pretty happy, high in emotion. I think we may just leave the video here. We may just do the calipers off camera, or maybe put it in the next video. But I think where we are right now, I think we should end the video here on a high, on a very high. You know, like we're both pretty happy and excited. A lot of things was done today. Probably again, like last video, one of our most productive days. We're kind of getting as we're coming back and working more, we're building more of a better work ethic. So the car starts, we got interior done, killed that.
We're getting back in the rhythm of coming in and killing it. And it's something we haven't felt. I literally have like butterflies in my stomach No
yeah,
joke.
yeah. Like this is like, you know, to have him feel like that, it's kind of giving me like goosebumps. It's good. You know, I like where we're at right now. We're improving as we're going, and I think we should just leave this video right where it is. It's at a high. You know, we want to leave you guys on a good note. So our emotions are high. You know, like, but at the end of the day, like our videos, you know, our closings are like, you know, hey guys, all right, we're done. You know, we're tired. I think right now we're like pumped. Let's, you know, we're gonna use that energy to finish everything off, but the video will stop here.
Yeah. I can tell you guys one thing. We came in here with the right mentality today. We came in saying we're gonna finish the car today, and honestly, besides buttoning it up, we finished the car. The car is idling better than it ever has. I wish I could curse right now out of it. So much joy that I have.
I see. If I knew how to beep it out, I would definitely let him. But I don't know how to beep it out, so we're not gonna do that right now.
I could say I really appreciate obviously my brother, my cousin, anybody who has helped. Really, we'll wrap it up on the next video.
Yeah. So guys, thank you for tuning in. It's been a great day for us. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is it. Don't forget to do the.
Please comment, like, and subscribe, and follow us on social media at All Purpose Builds. We appreciate you guys tuning in today.
All right. See you guys in the next one.